with a heart of glass.
Why?
What's he singing? Blondie.
Nobody knows who she is.
If you're over 50. Roll the intro. What is up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
And welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button if you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and learn about other keto related topics. And also don't forget to click that little
Bell.
bing. I thought you was gonna make a bell sound.
Okay.
So you don't miss anything. Hey, today's video is all about the Blondie. Now we've got a lot of requests to do
A
dessert
video.
videos because people want that sweet tooth. They want to taste the sweetness. They want that dessert with the coffee. They want the coffee cake, the Blondie. Well, we decided to do a Blondie because we saw it on the internet and it looked delicious.
And the recipe that I kind of went by is Keto Num Num. Of course,
Num, 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 num.
I kind of have to do my own little things to it. Like I added different chips and just a couple little different tweaks. But the inspiration was Keto Num Nums, and we'll put her information in the description below.
Right. And don't forget, since we have multiple requests for dessert videos, this is just the first of many. So you want to stay tuned for more yummy, delicious desserts. Let's get started.
Okay, we have 1/2 cup of butter, 2/3 of a cup of erythritol, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 2/3 chocolate chips. We're using Lily's dark milk chocolate chips, and we're using Bake Believe white chocolate chips because I finally found them in the store. And we're using 1/2 cup of almond butter.
Okay, that was what, 15 minutes? The Blondie has just come out of the oven.
It was 20 minutes.
20 minutes, piping hot. If you're any fan of Blondie, like I am, I'm just kidding. She didn't age well. But her music was kind of cool back in the 70s.
What was her name?
Blondie?
No.
Ann Kravitz? I don't know. Anyway.
Comment if you know.
This is, yeah, we don't know. But all we do know is the Blondie is delicious.
And this is a little dollop of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream mixed with erythritol. Tastes like Cool Whip.
Okay,
Delicious.
so the part of the show now, or the
Your
video,
favorite.
is this a show? Yeah, where we actually taste it. And are you gonna? She usually
No,
feeds me.
I'm not. You can.
You're not feeding me today?
No.
Because there's no fork. All right. Whoa. That was.
Yeah.
I'll try the little one. Okay, you ready? Here we go.
You have a big mouth. Can I?
What about?
Oh, you got all the Cool Whip. Oh. Fell out of the shot. I'm gonna put some of this on my.
Oh, hold up. Wait. Wait a minute.
No.
No. I want. Okay, I get another one. Guys, I'm telling you. This is the dessert right here. A little coffee after dinner.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. Yeah.
Oh, let me get that. Hold on.
It's
That
got a little
is.
crunch on the end. Thank you, Keto Num Num. She is the best when it comes to baking stuff.
Blondies, dude. Wait a minute. Not just that.
White chocolate chip added. That does it.
The almond butter. It's delicious. Now you can do peanut butter if you want. If you're a bigger fan of peanut butter than almond butter, but this is delicious. You got to try this one. I would try both. Maybe next time we'll do peanut butter. Who knows? Oh, well. I just got a head rush right there. Sugar, not a sugar rush. All right, listen, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Blondie almond peanut butter fudge. There's no fudge in it.
Peanut
Hope
butter blondie.
Yes, thank you.
Bravo.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And make sure you go over to our Facebook page, give us a like there, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter at the handles My Keto Friends, of course. And
Handles. Oh wait, was that truck driver?
that's what you call it, dude. It's the handle, the @ symbol.
Oh.
She doesn't know. And remember, until next time, make sure you keep your keto blondies.
What?
Yes,
Doesn't make
blondies.
sense.
Perfect.